Hi, Nick with Neoform. Here's a little video as an example of how we, the Home Emergency Wingmen, dry hardwood flooring in place. We don't tear anything out, saving customers thousands while also not having to go through the process of replacing any flooring. Hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, if you have any questions, you can give us a call at 855-938-2374.